Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mark in Illinois on the RCI-69 Base Plus. Mark got you ready to go. As you can see right off the bat, you got these nice bright wide angle LED lights. You don't have to worry about the dim ones. If you're going to get a 69 Base Plus, then you definitely want to get them for sure. Definitely need to get the tune in alignment. And I highly recommend the high cut filter. Mark, we put it on the NF switch because the NF is useless on these. See there? Big difference on sideband. I'd like to clarify for you too as well. So let's get down to business. 100 watt slug R power all the way down. There you go, about 5 watts all the way down. Let's roll it up. 24 all the way up. Average power swing audio almost 60 bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. 123 PEP. Alright, Mark, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it once again from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.